Cosmos flowers are a garden favorite, but I learned that there is a right way and a wrong way to grow them. Take a look at my meadow on the left. The plants are green, whimsical and airy. Now the cosmos on the right, over 6 feet tall. The flowers are still beautiful, but take a look at the leaves. They are brown and dry from the sun. To have a lush cosmos meadow, all you need is a space free of grass and weeds. Just what we've done here. Just scatter the seeds and water them until seedlings appear. Cosmos love full sun and don't mind drought. Once your meadow takes off, it thrives with little care, even in the peak of summer heat. So how did I end up with a 6-foot messy cosmos? Well, I was a newbie gardener and so I made a few mistakes. For one, I started seeds indoors way too early, so the seedlings grew quite leggy. Then, I transplanted them as a single plant, not a field of dense flowers. And I used rich soil, so they got too much fertilizer. As a result, they kept growing and growing while the bottom leaves were drying out. They had buds, but not many flowers. Then, in November, my cosmos put out quite a show. My garden was all shades of brown anyway, so the brown cosmos plant was no different. But the pink of the flowers was a joyful sight. So, final thought, if you plan on growing monster cosmos, put them at the back of your border, so you enjoy flowers and hide the dry leaves and stems. Happy gardening!